have our national president come, health minister of the country, Sri Jagat Prasad Nadda ji in Odisha. He has just landed in Bhubaneswar, and I can say that it's a matter of pride for all the 4.5 crore Odias to welcome him because he has come with a great purpose. He is going to Cuttack right now from the airport to launch Ayushman for Odisha. In fact, this was a demand of the Odias for quite some time. We had requested the earlier government to actually start Ayushman Bharat Yojana in Odisha. A deaf ear to us, they did not listen to us, and today the day has come. It's a great day, very auspicious day for all the Odias of Odisha, and I think the Ayushman Bharat Yojana will immediately be started, and it would definitely benefit all the poor, all the vulnerable, all the deprived, everybody, so to say, men, women, children, youth, across the state of Odisha, both in the urban and the rural areas, and it's a great day for all of us. As I say, I reiterate. Now, another reason why Sri Nadda ji has come, I must make it extremely clear. Tomorrow, all the MPs and all the MLAs would be going to Puri, and at about 10 o'clock, the training session to be inaugurated by Sri Nadda ji would be started. In fact, our leader wants to talk to all of us. Our leader wants to give us a lot of tips as to how to move ahead in the days to come. And the only direction that our leaders have been giving to us, that we should be with the people, we should work for the people, and we should take everybody along. So we are really looking forward to two things. One, the launching of Ayushman Bharat Yojana by Sri Nadda ji today, and towards the inauguration of the training camp for all the MPs and MLAs tomorrow at Puri. Thank you.